Hello, this is Kelly from Root Pursuit Junk Journals, and here I am at my new craft space. So let's go in and see how it looks. Look at this. And Amy's already in there. And this is just some of my craft supplies that have arrived, and yes, this is definitely not all of them. Not by a long shot. So say hi, Amy.
Hi.
What do you think of this room? I know it's so big. Let me just come back into this corner so you can really see how big it is. Oh, Nelly. Look at that. So the floor is pretty rough, but I figure once I get the furniture in, well, after I wash it, but once I get the furniture in, then I can do like little area rugs. So I'm excited about that. And yeah, used to be an ironing room. So we've got these bulletin boards here. So it's got tons of outlets everywhere on the floor. And I love outlets. So, and Amy already wrote on the chalkboard, Kelly's room. Yeah, so this was the old vocational college. And yeah, so I'm excited. You probably won't see much of me until May 10th. That's the closing, not the closing, but the move out date for our house. And it's, I'm gonna be real busy. And then after that, I'm gonna be busy again. But you can come along with me probably when I'm organizing this room. And then also, it came with this desk. So, and Amy found, oh, there's a whole pile of envelopes in the drawer. Perfect for junk journaling. Anyway, this desk came with it, which is, I think they're called invincible desks, yeah. But they're pretty heavy duty. So that's maybe gonna be my new, recording place. We'll see. I'm still bringing my other desk along. And there's a Canon Copier, which is pretty handy because I used to repair. He said, do you want to take it out? And I was like, no. I used to repair these copiers for my job, so I figure maybe I can get it back into shape and sell it. So pay for some of the rent here. There you go. All right, and it has an air conditioning unit. It's like the only place that had an air conditioning unit. Don't you love that old door? It does remind me of school, like my middle school when I was a kid. All right, so I think that's about all for now. That's all I've got on me. We just moved all these up the stairs, and this is the second floor place, so I'm totally exhausted. We are living in our camper, sort of getting used to it, and but mostly just packing and moving. All right, well, as always, thanks for coming along, and I'll talk to you later.